everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing something back that I haven't done in maybe about 2 years, and it's the Walmart beauty box. Now, before I used to do hardcore couponing, I was not really the beauty guru. I was just a person who liked getting stuff in the mail, and I thought this was a good price. So what I used to do is just get tons of Walmart boxes and Target boxes, but then after a while I'm just like, I'm not using a lot of this stuff, and I'm like, you know what, I kind of want to start going back to using it, because I do a lot of empties videos where I share with you guys what I did and did not use, or what I did and did not like for what I used, and a lot of you guys go by that. So I thought, why not get samples and show with you guys? Now, the Walmart beauty box, what they used to do is just give you any box. They just give you a box. And then after a while, they had it where you guys could choose between the two boxes. And then since I quit and rejoined, what they have you do is they have you do a little survey to figure out what box. Now, there's the Trendsetter, and then there's like a natural box, and I actually got the Trendsetter box. You could get probably a different box the way you guys answered your questions. But what I ended up doing is sign it up. I signed up like maybe 2 weeks ago, and they sent it to me now. But when I looked at my account, it says it's the winter, and it's already spring. I mean, it's like almost the middle of April already, and I'm getting my winter Walmart box. That's kind of a fail, but I don't know when the spring boxes will come out. So basically, you guys will sign up. They'll send you the most recent one. Now, these do sometimes may or may not sell out, but they usually try to just send you a box anyways. But they say the boxes are free. You just pay $5 for shipping, but we're just going to say we paid $5 for this. I have no idea what's inside. I wait till I get it on camera to share with you guys, but otherwise I used to really like the Walmart boxes, and Target has some too, but Target you usually can see what you are getting before you buy the box. About Walmart, I like to be surprised. And one thing I do like about this is they give you coupons, and that's all that I'm for is coupons. So we're just going to dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now, please keep in mind, every box is different. Sometimes they might be getting rid of stuff or anything, but I'm here to share with you guys what we got. So they give you like a piece of paper about Pantene. Here's something about doing the beauty box survey, rate and review. But here it looks like, what?
I love you.
I love you too. Yeah. So here they give you a little sample of the Pantene Intense Rescue Shots. Treatment target, extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. This actually looks like it might be...
Mommy.
Go show Daddy. This actually looks like it's a full size. So basically what you do is you just clump it in your hair and then fix the split ends. I don't know how big this... I don't know if this is a sample or if this is a full size. It's probably maybe just a sample, but yeah, it's a sample. They give you a nice big box with this little tiny item, but it is pretty much almost the same size as the product, but you can get a couple uses out of this, so that's kind of cool. And it's something like, I always have split ends, but I don't get my hair cut as often as I should, so there's that. But nice little sample of that. Here we got the Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal. It's charcoal cleansing micellar water, so it removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. So that's kind of a cute little bottle. I have never seen something like that. You can see the liquid. It's kind of a purple bottle. I mean, you just open it up, squirt it, and then squeeze it. So that's something new to try. I don't have oily skin, but whatever. We'll just try it out anyways. And then here we have the Corelle Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. So this is something that you use right when you get out of the shower before you dry off. And then you just, you know, rinse it on. It's just like lotion. I have used this before, and this is a good sample. I mean, this is a good, I mean, it's full. It's full to the brim, but that is a good sample. In the past, I've gotten a lot more samples than this, but I'm okay with just trying this stuff. Now here we got Olay Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean. So this, you just add water, and it's a 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, and mask cleanser. Yeah, go show Daddy. So we got a little sample of that to try out, so that's kind of cool. And then here they give you a full face mask. Now this is a Unicorn Glow hologram mask, detox plus brightening. I'm actually really excited to try this because it's It's a hologram and it's shiny. So this is pretty much a full size. You can pretty much go to Walmart and get this thing right off the shelf, which I kind of like it. I'm pretty excited to share with you on that. Now this is something new that I've never seen before, is they actually gave me a bag. It has the Walmart symbol on it, which I could really not care. I could care less if it has that symbol on it, and then in the back it's got raindrops. But it's it's a nice little bag. You guys could use it for couponing or put your makeup in it, but I thought that's cool. Now I'm not sure if you guys get a free bag every single time, or not a free bag, but a bag every single time. I used to do Ipsy, and I got a bag with Ipsy every time, I think, and it just kind of got old. But it's kind of cool, just get like a little updated thing.
Mommy,
so
that's so cool.
Yeah. So this was $5 is what I paid for everything. In the past, I used to get a ton of samples. I don't know if they just kind of skimped back, but we will see. But this is the winter box. So I should be getting the spring box very soon, I'm hoping, or it might be after that. But again, we got the shiny little makeup bag. We got the full-size hologram face mask. We got a good size of the wet skin moisturizer. The Pantene hair thingy. We got the Biore makeup remover, and then the Olay 2-in-1 wipe. So that is everything I got inside my Walmart box. If you guys are interested, you just go to walmartbeautybox.com and sign up. Answer the questions. You may or may not get the same samples as me. But I just wanted to share with you guys on this. This is something I'm going to get.
Hey
and they
guys,
send this.
we're going to my birthday park. Windsor coming, and we're going to, what else we're going?
We're going to the park where you had your birthday party, yeah.
And next we'll have we're done with the park.
Okay, just hold on, honey. So yeah, so this box does come 4 times a year, every season. So you guys can, you know, pick and choose if you want a box or not.
You.
Thank you, honey. But just wanted to share with you guys on that on the Walmart Beauty Box. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.